Okay, so this video is on how to change the battery in the older model for the Mercedes-Benz key. And this is it that I'm showing you for the older model Mercedes. This one is for an ML. Just so you know, the buttons, lock, unlock, and this is to unlock the trunk, the panic button. And it has the little button here to take the key out, and that's how you start up the car. Has a Benz symbol right here. So little instructions on how to unlock the doors. So let me show you how to take the battery out. So the bottom half is the part that's going to come off, is this area right here. So in order to get in here, you have to pop the key out because the key's in the way. Pop the key out, and you know this is nothing to slide, there's no button to press to pop this out. That's where the battery is. So I just put my thumb underneath, apply a little pressure, and pops open. And that's the inside. And it takes 2 batteries. So once you pop it open, then you're gonna add the new batteries. Of course, these are the originals, and they work fine. Pop in the batteries, and this is the cover that you're going to pop back on. I usually pop the left side first, and then the right side. And there you go. That's how you change the batteries and take off the cover for this Mercedes-Benz key. And that's it.